Hello my alien students, welcome back. So this is going to be a long, huge class, a class on your new friend. Actually it's a request, many students have requested, and I thought it is time that I create this video. Okay, video on schedules. Okay, so you're going to learn complete A to Z on a schedule, how to create, what does each and everything mean in a schedule. We'll be talking about keys, schedule keys, everything. Okay, let's suppose, let's start the class, isn't it? Okay, let's suppose we want to create a schedule. Let's say a structural schedule. It's already there, which is here. Okay, I just want to ask you first, how do you create a schedule? You need to understand how to create a schedule. First learn to create a schedule. Okay, so imagine we are in a blank screen. Okay, you are the MEP guy, you will be here. If you are the architect, you will be here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the view tab. Okay, and there you can go clear schedule. Okay, under create panel, click schedule. Okay, any comments? Click. Or you have your schedule here, right click, new schedule, the same story. Okay, then what you want to do, let's say we want to create one room schedule or an area schedule or whatever. Let's say a door schedule. Click door schedule. Okay, and then this schedule properties dialog box will open. Okay, then you will be adding fields. What's the meaning of fields? Fields means which all will be coming here. There will be the columns in your schedule. Schedule thing, it's like an Excel sheet. Okay, it is like one Excel sheet. You will understand now. Okay, so let's say we added count. You can do it click once and then this, or double click. Okay, let's say 11. Okay, length, we have width and we have length. Where is length? Sorry, height you have, isn't it? Okay, the order in which you click, that will be appear. But suppose you said done, I want things to be rearranged, so you're going to click this up and down. Okay, click, you get the picture, isn't it? It's clear. If you don't want a thing, you can just bring him that side. Okay, so if you like, yeah, I think this looks good. Say okay. There are no doors, you will not get anything. Okay, isn't it? So similarly, let's suppose there's already a schedule created here, that is the structural schedule. Okay, this is clear. So it's like how I created this schedule, isn't it? Fields is for what? See, that's why it shows here, no? See, mark, type, length, width, area, isn't it? They are the what? Columns which are in the schedule. I hope it's clear. Okay, if you want, just do it and tell me. How did we do it? We right click, new schedule, or the official way, go on top where view tab, isn't it? And find that structural schedule, wherever it is. You get the picture? Yeah, structural foundation. Click this, 2 is there because already it exists, and whichever fields you want you will add. Okay, is this clear? Okay, the next question is, let's suppose this is done. Okay, this is done, this is very clear. This is the length of the thing, width is there, area, whatever. I want to add one more column. In Excel it's easy, insert, and you get, it's clear, isn't it? Formula, and you get the, let's say I want to calculate one. Okay, the total cost, that means what? Cost per meter cube into volume. Okay, but here you need to understand volume is in meter cube, isn't it? If you cannot see it, I will make it big. 1 minute. No, he is not happy with this. Okay, I cannot really zoom it. Okay, this is in meter cube, this is in cost. This should be like, say, US dollar per meter cube, whatever may be the story. I want to add one more, total cost, that is this multiplied by this. How do I do it? Okay, first what I want to do is I want you to create a schedule which is like this. Okay, create all of this, isn't it? All these fields. Fields means what? Columns, isn't it? Do it. How to do it? Go to view, under create panel, create schedule and schedule quantities, isn't it? Then go to structural tab, foundation, click OK, and then click whatever is there in the other side, mark, type, okay, length. You get the picture. Now you can do it, width, whatever. Okay, I want you to do this, and you need to add this random values. I just added random values. Okay, is this clear? So now what I want to do is I want to add one more column. So 100% I have to click fields, because field is for column. Okay, but the thing is, this new column, okay, what's the thing here? It is a with formula, isn't it? So it should be a calculated parameter. So just click add calculated parameter. Okay, now let's say we need, what is it going to be called? Let's say total cost, isn't it? So type the word total cost. If you want in US dollar, put US dollar, whatever. Okay, listen. Now you need to be very careful, because this function, once you define, you are in the edit, isn't it? You're creating this schedule, or let's say a column. Okay, this cannot be editable afterwards. So you need to be careful now only. It's not end of the world, but you know, it's called rework then, isn't it? Now this is going to be a formula for sure, isn't it? So we have, this is called discipline. Okay, sure, the cost would not be in structural, not be HVAC, electrical, piping, what it should be in common. It's common means what? Like general, I would say, currency or something, isn't it? Is this clear? And then the type is like the unit of measurement. What is it? Currency. Okay, see, this is what? Currency per meter cube, isn't it? Okay, let's come to the story. So what we need to do is we need to multiply cost by volume, cost into volume, or volume into cost. Any comments? So let's do it like this. Okay, volume into cost. Okay, here is one small trick. Okay, because okay, divided by 1. Why 1? Here there is 2 units, no? There is, let's say, dollar and meter cube. There is meter cube. So I put, just for Revit not to get confused. Okay, say okay. Any comments? Now we have added a new field called total cost, isn't it? So if I say okay, you would get a column here. Okay, isn't it? Is this clear? Okay, do it. How did I do it? Again, edit field. Okay, I added a new formula, isn't it? Name of the, sorry, new column. Let's say name of that column is total cost. Isn't it? It should be a formula, it's not a percentage, isn't it? And then it is a common. Why it's common? Why not structure it? Come on, this is a number, isn't it? It's a general term. It's not going to be a number, it is a currency. Any comments? But this is currency, we will have to divide. Okay, let's say currency. Then we said volume into cost divided by 1. Why divided by 1? Because of units, isn't it? Let's say okay. You get the picture. That's what I did here. Okay, fine. This is clear. Very good. Okay, next question is, John, this looks good. Very good. I am happy with this. I am also happy. You are also happy. Very good. But still, everyone is in the center. The alignment is not in the center for this. So what we need to do is, we need to do for formatting, isn't it? Click formatting. What do you want? Total cost. How do I need the alignment? I need to be in the center. Any comments? Okay, I'm going to teach you this also. So we're going to learn step by step, slowly, the whole schedule. Actually, schedule is very easy. You need to understand what you're doing. Okay, click OK. So this part of the story is over. Sure, we need total, isn't it? So we can go again to formatting and click, where is this total cost? I need what? Calculate totals. But listen, when I say okay, you won't get it. Why you didn't get it? Because Revit does not know where to show it. You said okay, you said what? 1 minute. I need total. Okay, fine, good. But where does Revit show you? So what we need to do is go to sorting, okay, add one column, like this is like add a column, add a row, isn't it? What we need? Total only. See, now automatic he add. Why he didn't add for this? Why he didn't add for this? Because of your formatting. Because in the formatting you told, here said no calculation, no calculation, no calculation. Here you specifically mentioned I need a total. I hope this is clear. Okay. Moving forward. Okay. Now what I will do is we will add one more column. In the sense, I need length and width, good. Okay. But how about we having one column, one extra column, which is length and width? What I am trying to tell you is, let me just call my old friend the pen, and things will be clear now. I say much clearer now. Okay, our friend has come. Who? The pen. Just a second. Which color do you like? I think black looks good. Or red. No, this looks rubbish. John, take 5 minutes. Decide on a color and we start. This looks rubbish. Let's go to black. Okay. So what's the story? I think blue looks very good. Listen. We want to add one more column here. Okay. We only want one column. Okay. That should be length into width. That means for this case, let's take an example. Okay, we want, let's say 4,500. Thing is, my pen is disappeared, so I need, just I'm writing a bit slow. Okay, into 6,000. Okay, this is what I want to do. I want to add one more column, let's say called the size. Okay, should look like this. For not only one, for everything. Automatic it should update the schedule. Okay, so what I want you to do is just take 2 minutes. Okay, take 2 minutes and think, how would I do it? Think, just think. I hope this is clear. How to add total cost. How did you do it? We had the formula. We had to go to the field section. From the field section, when I click field, I'm just giving a recap. Okay, it's called a revision. Okay, I added a new calculated parameter. I added here formula. I changed it to currency. I added the formula, divided by, isn't it, multiply by cost per meter cubic meter, divided by 1, and we got it, isn't it? And we said okay, and then this was done, isn't it? Automatic Revit did this. Okay, and then we wanted to make this in the center. So what we went here and did center, and we wanted the total. So we went here, calc total, and then sorting, and then just clicked this one. Any comments? Right. Okay, now the next question is a new question coming up by John. Okay, the question is as follows. I want to add one more column. This is called length into width. Isn't it? In Revit it's easy. No, sorry, in Excel it's easy. But in Revit, how to do it? Think. I don't want you to, I want you to think. I want you to use your brains and think. Okay, as usual. Okay, can I do it? Okay. You want any comments? Okay. So what I will do is, first thing for sure, I need to do something in the fields. Why? I need to add a column. Fields means what? Fields means adding column. If I have to add any column, I have to, column means these are called columns, isn't it? I have to click fields, isn't it? Let's see if we have any darker color. No, this looks rubbish. Okay, too light. Okay, anyway, green is the best. So what's the story? I need to click fields. Okay, and I'm going to add a new something called as adding a combined parameter. Click this. Okay, is this clear? Okay, here you need to be careful. Everything you need to be careful. It's not that you sleep when doing Revit, isn't it? So what you need, let's say length. Why length first? Because I want that to be appeared first, isn't it? 1 second, somebody is pressing control. Okay, let's say, where is length? Okay, length, and then what you need? Width. Okay, you want length and width, isn't it? See, it will appear like the length slash width slash length. We don't want it. We want a separator. So let's put what isn't it? So it looks something like this. See, length and width. What you want to call it? You call it the size, isn't it? Size of slab. Okay, is this clear? So what I did was combined a parameter. It's called combined parameter. Okay, I think it's clear. This is the sample. It will look like this. Will be the final display. It will look like this. Okay, is this clear? Okay, do it. So what I did, let me just do it again. Cancel. I want to do a combined parameter. So what I will do is click this one. Okay, make sure you are in the schedule. How did I come here? How did I come here? I clicked fields because I need to add a column. Fields, this I have to click. Okay, click fields. I need to add a combined parameter. Click that. Then type length. Okay, then width, isn't it? Separators. This is the sample. It look like this now. Anymore it look like this. You want it to look like this, length slash. No, this is not what we wanted. We wanted length into width, isn't it? Type. So what we will do is, okay, if you want to make it capital, make capital. Does this look good? No, it does not look good. We add a space here. This looks better, isn't it? Now what's it called? It's called the size of the slab. Foundation slab. Okay, you want to write foundation? Okay, right. Foundation slab. Then what you say? Click OK. If you type make width up, it look width into. This is the story. So just be careful what you're doing, isn't it? Generally have length into width. Fine, beautiful. Okay, now where is size of foundation slab? We want this to be after width. So we can click this. This looks good, no? Isn't it? Right. Okay, I think when I was teaching you this, I told you, we cannot see this becomes fixed. That's why I told you, whenever you're doing any parameter, do it first only. And see, when I did divide by 1, automatic Revit came to know that this is cost by meter cube. Okay, this just wanted to point it out. Okay, I hope this is clear how I created size of foundation slab. How did I do it? I created a combination parameter and I clicked length and width, whatever, isn't it? And then here a separator I added an X. Okay, I think this is clear now. Any comments? Click OK, isn't it? Is this clear now? Size of parameter, size of foundation slab. Okay, excellent. But the thing is, next question is, see, what's the next question? It is not, this is not aligned. I think you can understand. Go to formatting, size of foundation, center. Okay, is this clear? Fine. This is done. Okay. What I want to do, I want you to practice it. I want you to take your time, Pause the video. I give you some 2-3 minutes. Pause the video and do it and show me. Tell me, John, I did it. It was easy or whatever. Okay. Any comments? Do it. Do it. I'll give you 2 minutes. Do it. Do it. Do it. If you want, I just do fast brush up. Fields are to add columns. What is here is what is here, isn't it? This one's, isn't it? Then what we did was we added a total. That was a calculated formula, calculated parameter, isn't it? Here you have to be careful with the formulas, isn't it? Okay. Then we added combination parameter, combine parameters. This is the way we did it. And then I think we got the total. So formatting, isn't it? We said total cost, we added this. Revit didn't know where to show. We had to go to here and just add a column, extra column. Okay, is this clear? Okay. Right. Now what I'm going to teach you is, okay, I'm going to give you some time to do it. I'm going to teach you something beautiful. Take your time. Yeah. Write it, do it, and then tell me, John, is it easy or not? Okay, we can take a 2 minutes advertisement break, isn't it? Okay, okay, good. Okay, now what we're going to do is I teach you another trick called the key schedule. Let me just close my pen now. Sorry. Key schedule is on the schedules. Okay. What's the meaning of key schedule? When you finish, tell me, okay? Okay. Is this clear so far? Okay, listen. I want, let's suppose, okay? Let's say, what's the question? Okay. See, these levels, okay, base, floor, wall and ceiling, okay, these will be filled based on, for example, let's say this west is of office type A, under category A, under category B. So for B, these all must be having a specific value. All conference have specific value. Office type C, instructions have office type C, or whatever. Okay. So what I am trying to convey message is, I want this, instead of I typing one by one, isn't it? This is where you're going to create something called as key schedule. Okay. Again, I want to create one more column. So create fields. Okay. Okay. Yeah, listen. Okay. Right click, create, where is this? Room schedule. Here. Okay, new schedule. I need to create a room schedule. Go to rooms. Click key. Click room style 1. Any comments? Type. Now what I need to do is, I need to click the base finish. Floor finish. Wall finish. Ceiling finish. Okay, these values must be automatically updated here, isn't it? Any comments? Listen, this you understand, you can understand. What's the meaning of key schedule? This is a very, very important, and let's say a topic which has been, you need to put light on this subject. Okay? Is this clear? Okay. add OK. You create a new schedule, key schedule. Okay, let's add a new row. Okay, let's say instead of 1 I make it like this. Okay, this is office type 1. Okay, under category, you will understand, give me a second, you will understand. Office type 2, office type 3, office type 4. Okay. Okay, what is the base finish? Let's say tile. Okay, let's say wood. Okay, let's say vinyl. Let's say this is also wood, or tile, or let's say wood. Okay, isn't it? You can keep continuing, isn't it? Okay, so let's say the floor finish is carpet. Carpet. Let's say this one concrete finish. Concrete. Let's say this. Where is it? Sorry. Let's say vinyl should have been vinyl sheet. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Here it should have been carpet, concrete. Let's say tiles, a vinyl sheet. Okay. This also, let's say it's carpet or marble. Let's say carpet better. Okay, carpet. Okay, just write it down. I give you some time. Okay, finished. Okay. 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 Wall finish GWB. Isn't it? This one ACT. Most of them GWB. And put tile or tile also. GWB. If you don't want to type this, okay, it's all ACT. Okay, is this clear? Type. So what's the story is, listen, what's the story is very simple. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to assign one more column here, one more column, and assign West as office type 1. Okay, so if it is office 1, it has to update all of this. This is the meaning of keys in Revit. Okay, again, I think this subject is over. Now we've added, I showed you how to do it, isn't it? How to combine columns, isn't it? Let me just close this. Okay, here I need to add one more column here, say office 1, sorry, office type 1, or office type 10, or whatever, and these values must be updated from where? Here, isn't it? It's like a reference. You have two tabs in Excel sheet, isn't it? If office 1, these all values should be automatically updated, isn't it? Okay, so how do we do it? What I do is I need to add a column. Click field, and there is my friend room style. Room style is here. This is the room style, isn't it? Click and click here. Okay, and this guy has to be where? Between name and base finish, isn't it? Any comments? Click OK. Nothing is been, there is no story here, isn't it? This is base, floor, wall, isn't it? Same sequence. Okay, let's say this is office 1, see, automatically updated. Let's say this is office 5 or 4 or whatever. Okay, what is the beauty of this? This is like your Excel. If this is, let's say, office 2, I'm just doing it randomly. Okay, I have not, you get the picture, isn't it? Okay, what's the beauty is, let's say office 1 ceiling is ACT. Okay, for some reason or let's say I made it, let's say instead of finish, I made it tile. Just give me an example. Have you assigned their tile? 1 minute. It's which office I have assigned here? So 2. Okay. Instead of all in 2, I want to be tile. So all wherever 2 is there, let me add some more 2's here. John, everything is 2 now, not keep some 3 or 1. Okay, you need to understand based on your requirement. Okay, is this clear? So now we have office type 2. How about we filtering this? Isn't it? Okay, now have a look. Okay, wherever there is a wall, I want to be tile. Okay, so you would see it automatic update. Okay, if it was GWB, got updated. Okay, I hope this is clear. Right. Similarly, if I want all of this to be okay, if I asked you what's the total of all this area, what you say? John, appearance, sorry, formatting, area, I need area, no? Total area, total 100%. If I say okay, I will not be, it is here. Why? Because here it is a footer, isn't it? That is why. Okay, is this clear? Okay, I hope it's clear, because we have one footer. If this was not there, this is sorting by level, that's why, isn't it? Or we can have added this grand total, isn't it? I hope this is clear. So let's consider this part 1 of this series of videos on scheduling, becoming an alien in scheduling. I think I've taught you a lot in scheduling Revit. Okay, I've taught lots of secrets here in this video, and I think in part 2 we'll learn more things, isn't it? How to do percentage, how do we do formatting, coloring, etc., isn't it? Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you love this video, enjoy this video, I would say hit the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe. Okay, anyway, take care, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.